In this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about what we refer to as sliding scale insulin. It's not used so much anymore. They've gone in favor of another system, which is a more complex system. It has a basal dose and then it has a dose to cover. This is what I really want to look at. What they do is they divide it into low dose, regular dose, high dose, and if the patient needed something very specific that was just for them. So here we have blood glucose level. If the blood glucose level was, like, say, for instance, between 131 and 180, and the person was on a low dose scale, the person would get 2 units of insulin. If he was on a moderate dose scale, he'd get 4 units. High dose would be 8 units, and so on. So here's our insulin syringe, and again, you can see that it's very small, and it has these little ticks here. And each one of these ticks, sometimes it's divided into 1 unit. So we have 40 here, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45 there, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. So it's very small, and you can see how you can get a very exact dose of insulin. For the purposes of what we're going to do, we're going to have a very simplified sliding scale insulin scale. So here it is, and the question then is, the blood sugar is at 7:30 in the morning, is 160, and this is the scale that we're going to work off of. So you take the 160 and you look, and you see that the person is supposed to get 8 units. You go to this drawing and you can mark off 8 units right there. And that would be the correct answer to that question. Here's another one. The patient's finger stick blood sugar is at 260. And you can see that 260 is between 251 and 350. The patient would get 14 units. We want to mark off the insulin syringe, and there you have it. So that's 14 units. That would be the correct answer.